Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rozi. As you can see, this is our Redmi 5 Rozi, model number is Redmi 5. You will get Android version 11 in this ROM. Today we will check all the features of this ROM. चलिए let's check the name. Here is the name, the Kraken. This is the Kraken OS. Pixel Experience kernel is installed in this ROM, and 27 February build date. This is the latest build available for Redmi 5 Rozi. If I tell you about all the features of this ROM, many of the features are the same, and the Geo is working perfectly. There is no problem in the Geo. Wi-Fi is working, hotspot is working, Bluetooth is working perfectly. There is no problem. Whichever the bug will be in this ROM, I will tell you that in the video or in the description. So you can check the description also. And the battery performance of this ROM is good. There is no problem in the battery performance, but it is little bit lower than other Android 11 ROMs. Here is the display dark theme is also available in this ROM. As you can see, this is the pure black dark theme, and the brightness level is working perfectly. Adaptive brightness is working, and night light, here you can see night light intensity. You can set it according to your use. It works perfectly. Live display, here is the live display screen calibration is also working, so you can adjust it according to your use. And here is the styles and the wallpaper. There are not maximum features in this ROM. Only limited features are available in this ROM. Here is the, as you can see, only 3 clock is available, but let's check the analog clock whether it works or not. As you can see, it does not work right now, but it will take few minutes to apply. So font size, you can increase display size, font size, and here is the lock screen always on display. Let's check the always on display whether it is available or not. As you can see, always on display not available, only pickup is available, hand wave and pocket is only available, and as notification is working perfectly. There is no problem. As you can see, when you receive the notification, it works perfectly. There is no problem or any bug in this edge display. And here is the ringtone is very loud in this ROM. There is no problem in the ringtone. You can increase ring volume from start volume to RAM up volume, as you can see. And vibration is also working, and navigation by vibration is working perfectly. Fingerprint vibration is also working. We will also check the fingerprint speed, how fast is the fingerprint, how fast you will get the fingerprint speed in this ROM. So as you can see, there are not maximum features in this ROM, only minimum features in this ROM, but the battery performance is not good in this ROM. I don't recommend this ROM for battery. If you want enough battery backup, so don't install this ROM. I personally don't like the battery backup. And let's check the pin also, and the interference is also not good, not stylish one. Not enough customization is available. On no more customization. As you can see, in other ROMs you will get many of the customization, but in this ROM it is simple pure stock. As you can see, fingerprint speed is good in this ROM, not very good. As you can see, it takes time to unlock your device, but the fingerprint is very slow, is average only, and no face unlock is in this ROM, as you can see. And this OpenGAPS is pre-installed in this ROM, so no need to flash OpenGAPS. And you can change the change logs in the description. I will write the change logs in the description. And here is the system. As you can see, this is the system buttons also available, arrow keys, typing keys, invert, you can invert the navigation bar also, and call, power button and call. So these are the simple features which are almost available in all the ROMs. And here is a quick pull down is also available, right left network traffic indicator is also available. That is not good looking. Clock position left and right is only available, no center one. And battery inside is also available. As you can see, battery percentage inside, battery style is also available, circle 97%, battery remaining right now. And gestures, here are the few gesture, 2 button, 3 button is also available in this ROM. You can use the gestures also, it works perfectly fine. Let me show you. As you can see, navigation bar back button is also available. As you can see, it works perfectly. And the swipe to finger screenshot is also available. As you can see, it works perfectly. All the features are working perfectly, but there are only few features in this ROM, not many features. So according to the customization, if you want customization in your phone to create your phone like stylish one, so don't install this ROM. As if your main purpose is the customization, so don't install this ROM. And these are the applications installed in this ROM. The camera is the simple one camera. I have tested this ROM, but I don't like this ROM enough in Android 11 version. There are many ROM with many of the features, so I personally don't like this ROM. And here the web view browser, simple सा browser है. And Volt is working perfectly. There is no problem in the Volt, but the icon is not coming.